Muntik na palang mamatay ang bunsong anak ng celebrity couple na sina Alger Abrenica at AJ Raval na si Alger Jr. noong 2024. Sa social media ibinahagi ng dating Viva Max Queen ang pinagdaanan niya nang isilang si Alger Jr. Ayon kay AJ, premature blue baby ang sanggol ng kanyang ipanganak at muntik na raw itong mawala sa kanila matapos malagay sa kritikal na kondisyon. Aniya he was born premature a blue baby in the delivery room. For a moment we lost him. I did not know what to do. His lungs were not fully developed. The doctor said his condition was critical and that he needed to be transferred to another hospital. I was scared. All I could do was pray. I did not ask God for answers or explanations. I asked for one thing only, a life extension for my baby. Nakita pa raw niyang ni-revive ng mga doktor ang anak hanggang sa nawalan na siya ng malay. I saw the doctors performing CPR to revive my baby. After that I do not remember anything. I lost consciousness. When I woke up in the recovery room, the first thing I did was ask for my baby. The doctor told me he was in the NICU. Dagdag pa niya, we did not get to be together right away. He stayed in the ICU for days and all we could do was wait. Those days were heavy and quiet. In that waiting I realized there was only one thing to hold on to: God. That experience changed me in ways I cannot explain. When you come that close to losing someone you realize how small everything else is. What truly matters is life, love and the people God entrusts to us. So appreciate every breath, every moment, every heartbeat. Because when life shows you how fragile it is you learn to be thankful for everything. Let this be a reminder to appreciate what you have, every breath, every moment. All glory belongs to God. Maraming netizens ang nagpaabot ng positive at inspiring message para kay AJ. Anila imagine, sa kabila ng mga pinagdadaanan niyang pambabash, na kaya niyang i-handle lahat ng yun habang ganun ang nangyari sa baby niya. Grabe ka strong na babae talaga. That is why showing kindness is very important. At the end of the day, people are battling demons we know nothing about. Just be kind. At least mensahe naman ng isa.